Hello guys, in today's video we'll be learning speech writing. This is one of the writing skills topic which generally comes for 5 marks in your exam. In this video I have covered format, how to write speech writing along with a solved example. Now speech writing, whenever you write it for exam purpose, you have to start with heading. किस topic पे आप speech दे रहे हो? First paragraph should have greetings, salutations, इंट्रोडक्शन. वेलकम करोगे, मीन गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, ग्रीट करोगे, सैल्यूट करोगे, रेस्पेक्टेड सर, प्रिंसिपल एक्सेट्रा, इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे आपकी और टॉपिक के बारे में कि आप किस टॉपिक पे आप स्पीच देने जा रहे हो. लाइक अभी स्पीच देने से लोग जनरली बोर हो जाते हैं. कंटिन्यूसली लिसनिंग टू अ पर्सन इज़ वेरी बोरिंग. सो टू एंटरटेन, टू कीप ऑडियंस इन्वॉल्व, यू शुड आस्क रेटोरिकल क्वेश्चंस. Paragraph 2 should cover all the points in proper sequence. टॉपिक के ऊपर जो टॉपिक है उसके हिसाब से सीक्वेंस में होनी चाहिए, इधर ऊपर नीचे नहीं होनी चाहिए. यू शुड ट्राई टू गिव सम एग्जाम्पल्स सो दैट इट डजेंट बिकम बोरिंग. देन पैराग्राफ 3, लास्ट पैराग्राफ शुड हैव कंक्लूजन. इन शॉर्ट, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल पीपल, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेल द ऑडियंस, conclusion you have to give. Then at the end you have to thank audience. Now whenever you give speech, try to be precise, use short sentences, use proper tense. Okay, and how much you should write for exam purpose? You should write 3 paragraphs which should cover approximately 1 full scape page in your exam. If you want to score full 5 marks, you should write to the full length. You should give the heading. You should divide the speech writing into 3 paragraphs. Give thank you at the end, salutation, greeting in the beginning, and write good language, neat and clean. You should write it down. This is what the speech writing format is. Now speech writing, I told you, introduction, body of the paragraph, conclusion, 3 paragraphs. तो introduction में क्या देना है? greeting आप करते हो, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, बट जनरली हम स्पीच देते हैं तो वी इंट्रोड्यूस अवरसेल्व्स. आई एम सैली डो, आई हैव बीन वॉलंटियर विद दी सो एंड सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो नाउ व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग फॉर एग्जाम पर्पज, यू डोंट हैव टू राइट योर नेम. यू कैन राइट आई एम ABC, और यू नीड नॉट give your name at all, but you should greet audience. Now let's see one solved example. The topic is even small things in nature play a big role. You have to give speech on this. So first we will address the audience, respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. As you are giving it in your school or college, so your audience will be principal, teacher and dear friends. Okay. Good morning to one and all. We have greeted all of them. Okay. Today, on the day of World Environment Day, 5th June, I would like to speak a few words on the important role played by various creatures on this earth. Now we have given the introduction of the topic on which we are going to give the speech. See, I have not given my name. For exam purpose, you don't have to give your name, but introduction of the topic, first greeting and saluting, then introduction of the topic. Then main content in the second paragraph. Let me remind you with some examples, like earthworm is called the friend of farmer as it helps the farmer in loosening the soil, which helps to aerate and make it more fertile. It also converts garbage into organic fertilizer. Tiny creatures like ant teach us organization. They help in seed dispersal. Bees provide us with honey and help in pollination. Dragonflies and spiders eat insects and thus help in controlling insect population. Frogs and fishes also help in controlling mosquitoes population as they eat their larvae. Now we have given the different creatures how they play a big role in cleaning the environment, helping the environment. Concluding paragraph, if we observe, each and every creature on this earth has been given some or the other role which keeps them busy, but at the same time help us in some or the other way. So I would like to conclude my speech by requesting all of you to understand the role of various creatures and respect them. Never ever think of harming them in any way. So conclusion में हमने brief में we have conveyed what do we want to give through this speech. तो introduction, पहले तो salutation, okay, greeting, introduction, then detail of the program, about the speech, whatever is the topic, then conclusion. Last में you'll write thank you. This is how speech writing is to be written. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. If you still have any queries, any doubts, you can write in the comment section. Okay, now speech writing ka marking scheme for your exam, you will be getting it for 5 marks. If you write appropriate beginning and conclusion, 1 mark. If you use the given points, you add your points, etc., body of the language, if you write correctly, 2 marks. Then if sequence is correct, then 1 mark. And if your vocabulary is very good, then 1 mark. So you get full 5 marks if you write it correctly. Okay, I hope this was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for more videos on English grammar, English writing skill, academic English lesson explanation, etc., you can visit my YouTube channel Learn with BS. And if you like my videos, do hit the like button, hit the bell button if you want to subscribe to my channel, so that you get notification for upcoming videos, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.